This is a quick tutorial on how to install Universal G-Code Sender on Windows. To start with, head over to universalgcodesender.com, press download, and then download the Windows 64-bit binary. And once it's been downloaded, head over to the Downloads folder, right-click on the zip and choose Extract All. Once everything's been extracted, head into the folder all the way down to the bin folder and start the program. And from here, you can go to the Tools menu and create a shortcut, which will create a shortcut on the desktop. And that will now start the application. So that's it. Thanks for watching.